Paramedic services across the province and here in the Thunder Bay district are already experiencing major staffing shortages, and they're now staring down the barrel of a possible year without any fresh Ontario graduates to bolster their numbers. Justin Hardy explains.
The consortium of colleges throughout Ontario are working toward converting the paramedicine program from a 2-year diploma to a 3-year applied degree. Superior North EMS Chief Shane Muir says if it all goes ahead 2 years from now, the transition would pose significant challenges to recruitment 2 years later.
And then that would extend the school and education system for another year, which would result in a gap year where we would have no graduates. So that's something that we're trying to plan for, and we're really trying to staff our ranks in the next few years to ensure that we have use those additional staff, so we have good coverage going forward into the future, knowing that that gap year is coming.
The colleges have been working on this proposal for roughly a year and included strategies to mitigate that gap year.
If we were to have the program start in the fall of 26, then yes, the first time we would experience a gap, potential gap would be in the fall of 2028. That's totally dependent upon when the proposal would be approved, because that would then change when we would have a start date of new graduates.
College Dean Shane Strickland says they hope the new version of the paramedic program will help ensure that more students are completing it by staggering the workload over another year. He adds that the new 3-year course is also planned to include additional resiliency training.
So the resiliency training, of course, will be addressing mental health issues that paramedics may experience in the field, and help them with self-care and self-coping mechanisms so that they can be successful students and successful paramedics upon graduation.
The proposal is currently in front of the Ministry of Colleges and Universities, and the date it could take effect is entirely dependent on when it is approved. However, Superior North EMS is planning for that estimated gap year in 2028. Justin Hardy, TBT News.